Hi there. So we continue our discussion about the microphones, which is the special type of transducer that converts your sound waves into an proportional electric signal. So nowadays you will see this type of microphones in the market, very thin and lightweight and quite precise and is quite noise free. So the working principle of this condenser type of microphone is very simple. So inside these microphones, you have two plates, conductive plates that forms your capacitor. So the front plate is basically a membrane which is likely to move, and the back plate is fixed. So that forms your parallel plate capacitor. Then this capacitor is supplied or biased with a voltage source V, and we know that the equation of the capacitance is Q over V. And then there is very large value of a resistor R in shunt with that or in series with this circuit, composing capacitor, battery, and the resistance. And then we are going to see how the output signal is produced across this circuit output. So the sound waves, which are an audio signal frequency signals, which is in the range of 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. When such waveforms come, they strike the membrane of this condenser type microphone that changes the distance between the two plates of the capacitor. So essentially you have instantaneous variations in the capacitance of the plates. And for charge on the capacitor is maintained at a fixed value by this DC potential, the voltage across the two plates of this capacitance is essentially changing instantaneously with respect to capacitance. So when there is a air pressure that changes the capacitance, the voltage is going to change, and that voltage is measured, which is an instantaneous voltage proportional to the change in capacitance is measured. So R and C, the value of the capacitor and the resistance. The resistance is usually hundreds of mega ohm or in the range of few giga ohms. And your capacitance is between 1 to 10 picofarad. Okay, so resistance is like mega ohm, hundreds of mega ohm to giga ohms, and this one. So you have a large time constant, so very low frequency actually. So this RC, capacitor and resistor, they acts as a low pass filter for your audio signals, and for other signals they act as a high pass filter, and that's how you get a noise free output electrical signal when there is a sound waves coming onto this capacitor.